Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on OnePlus Nord N30. And to do this, we'll need to launch our Google Chrome. Inside, click on the three dots or arrow pointing up in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down for the settings and enter them. Then scroll down again, there's a password manager. Make sure that the save passwords is on. Now we can go back to any website that we want to save our passwords for. In this case, I'll be using Facebook. Now enter your mobile number or email address. Depending on the site, there might be different information like a username. Then go for the password. I'm gonna enter random numbers, it doesn't matter. Then click on login. On the top, you should see this pop-up, save password. Click on save and click on this three dots again and enter the same thing, settings and password manager. Now on the passwords tab, Facebook should show up, or the site that you've created the password for. You can click on it anytime, and here you will see your credentials, username and a password, but it's hidden. If you want to unhide it and see the actual password, click on this eye, and we'll need to verify that it's you. So click on password and unlock your phone just like that, and you will see the actual password. You can update it by adding different numbers or removing it at all, like that. And the same is with username. Make sure to click on done when you make the changes. And also one last thing, you can delete the passwords with this bin icon right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.